Don't get me wrong. Understanding a common English phrase. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating and commonly used phrase in English. Don't get me wrong. This phrase is widely used in both formal and informal conversations, and understanding its nuances can greatly enhance your English communication skills. So, let's get started and unravel the layers of meaning behind this interesting phrase. Don't get me wrong is a phrase used to clarify a statement, ensuring that the listener does not misinterpret or misunderstand what the speaker is saying. It's often used when the speaker anticipates that their words could be taken in a way they didn't intend. For example, if someone says, "Don't get me wrong, I love the city, but I hate the traffic," they mean they enjoy living in the city but do not like one particular aspect of it. This phrase can be used in various contexts. In casual conversations, it's a way to soften criticism or express an opinion without offending the listener. In professional settings, it's used to preface a constructive criticism or a contrasting opinion, ensuring that the statement is taken as constructive rather than confrontational. One common mistake is using "don't get me wrong" in a context where it's unnecessary or might confuse the listener. It's important to use it only when there's a real possibility of misunderstanding. Another mistake is overusing the phrase, which can make the speaker seem indecisive or unsure. Let's look at some examples. 1. Don't get me wrong. I think he's a great actor, but his last movie wasn't very good. 2. I like working with her. Don't get me wrong, but sometimes she can be a bit bossy. These examples show how the phrase is used to express a nuanced opinion without negating the overall positive sentiment. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, "Don't get me wrong," and its use in everyday English. It's a handy tool for expressing yourself clearly and preventing misunderstandings. Remember, effective communication is key in any language, and understanding such phrases can make your English conversation skills more nuanced and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!